go. Her pistol go. I said her pistol go. Cause she a fashion killer and I'm a trendy.
Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. So it's been a long time since I was posting on my YouTube account, but anyways, today I'm gonna be making a rainy day in my life. So it's raining and it's freezing cold. So it's now currently 12, and then I'm gonna get dressed, and then we're gonna go to my mom's friend's house and gonna have some snacks, and so yeah, that's the plans for the day. Hey guys, so I'm done bath and I dressed, and yeah, I have this top on the jean, and then a jean and my black soft boots because it's raining and it's cold. So yeah, and now I'm just waiting for my mom to get done because she's not done yet, and then we're gonna do some. And I didn't film the how we were riding, so this is how it looks. I'm gonna eat. Hey guys, so I'm done eating, and I came outside a little, see the view and so. And I would look at the plants and stuff. So yeah, okay, I'm sitting outside.